I'm John Hutton, and I'm a former Marine. I served in the Marine Corps for a little over 10 years, and it was the proudest moments of my life. And I had a stroke and was limited with a lot of things in life, but this is reopening the world to me. The Qortex system provides ways to communicate that are unlimited. You can match up with former service members and buddies, and you can match up with doctors and have treatments. I'm very excited about what it provides to us. I can communicate with my caregivers. I can communicate with family members. I love talking to my brother, and I love the fact that this puts me back in the world and really keep my spirits up. And this system, Qortex, makes me a happy camper. I'll tell you that right now. I can't say enough about Qortex and the people that are providing this service. Their care for us and their care for this country is second to none.